Unveiling the power of eagle-eyed accuracy. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase that paints a vivid picture in just a few words: eagle-eyed accuracy. This expression is a fantastic example of how English uses imagery to convey specific qualities and abilities. Stay tuned as we explore its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in everyday conversation to add flair to your language. At first glance, eagle-eyed accuracy might seem like a complex phrase, but it's quite straightforward when we break it down. An eagle-eyed person possesses an exceptional ability to notice or observe details, much like an eagle has sharp vision to spot its prey from a great distance. When we say someone has eagle-eyed accuracy, we're complimenting their remarkable precision in either observation or action. This phrase can be applied in various contexts, from the literal ability to spot tiny details with one's eyes to metaphorically highlighting precision in tasks or activities. English, like many languages, often uses imagery to make expressions more vivid and memorable. By comparing someone's abilities to an eagle's keen sight, eagle-eyed accuracy evokes a strong image of sharpness, focus, and precision. This use of imagery not only makes language more colorful but also helps in better understanding and remembering new phrases and expressions. Incorporating eagle-eyed accuracy into your vocabulary can make your speech more descriptive and engaging. Here are a few examples of how you can use this phrase. In a professional setting, our quality control team needs to have eagle-eyed accuracy to catch even the smallest defects. In everyday life, you have eagle-eyed accuracy when it comes to spotting rare birds in the park. In academics, her eagle-eyed accuracy in editing helped improve our manuscript significantly. Remember, while the phrase is predominantly positive, the context in which you use it can greatly affect its reception and interpretation. Eagle-eyed accuracy is more than just a phrase. It's a vivid depiction of exceptional observational skills and precision. By understanding and using such expressions, you can enrich your English language skills and communicate more effectively. We hope this exploration has been enlightening and that you're now more confident in incorporating eagle-eyed accuracy into your vocabulary. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll have the eagle-eyed accuracy in language learning. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to our next linguistic adventure together.